Follow it. You better work out. Yeah. Okay. There we go. There. Sorry, guys. Oi. Hi. Everything. Everything. What about you? All right, guys. It's not gonna suck. I don't know. Oh, good one. Oh well, thank you. You guys should. Can you bring my? Oh, thank you. Oh yeah. Thank you. Excuse me. You got. There you go. Hey, it's Mandy. That was a me. Sprite challenge live. Breath like bacteria in the air. You see that? Like you could just get like you inhale a bunch of air like for your brand. And you swallow it. Brands including HelloFresh. I'm 20.
Yes.
Do you burp like that in public? What the energy feels like around me. Thank you for my rose. Thank you for my heart me. Thank you for my like. You literally have to swallow the air in your mouth. A little scary. My dogs are dressing up. I live in LA and this is thank you. I do it myself. Tallulah, yes. Yeah. Shadow Song, thank you for the follow. Good times. Thank you. Excuse me. There you go. Sorry, I can't right now. I have. Ooh. That was a natural one, okay? That one was. Oh, Peter.
Yeah.
Oh, gorgeous. It is. It's so nice over.
Yeah.
Oh, gorgeous. Oh my God, that was a. So glad that you're doing well. Very glad. Abroad. The rodeo was fucking amazing yesterday, and I don't want to pay for that. Hello, Bambi. How are you? Ooh. Excuse me. You. Do it. There you go. There you go. Surprise, surprise. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I love the comments. I don't know. Yeah. And the monster comes out. Oh, man. Oh, that was See, you guys, my on-command ones are way better. You see? I mean, right now they kind of suck a little. Oh. Oh, snap. Because happiness comes and goes, you know? But all I can try to do is just be happy. Follow me on IG. Nino Sanchez. I love Celine. Oh, yeah.